Hi friends, in this video, I will share the best way to travel between Bangkok City and Pattaya in a public bus at a cost of just 131 Thai Baht. You will see complete details of how to make this trip, both from Bangkok to Pattaya and Pattaya to Bangkok. Let us begin with the Bangkok to Pattaya trip. To travel from Bangkok to Pattaya, you need to come to the Ekkamai Bus Terminal, which is located on Sukhumvit Road, next to the Ekkamai BTS SkyTrain station. After landing at Ekkamai SkyTrain station, look for exit number 2 and come out of the station. It is a short walk to the bus terminal. On the ground floor of the terminal, look for counter number 28. This is where you will get the ticket for the bus to Pattaya. This bus service operates from 6 am to 9 pm, and usually, buses depart every hour. Note the time of the next available bus, and buy your ticket. Departure platforms are in the back side of the terminal, and the Pattaya bus departs from platform number 1. When your bus is at the platform, hand over your bag to the staff, for keeping in the storage bin, and board the bus. The buses are air-conditioned, and have comfortable seats. The journey to Pattaya will take approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes, and you will arrive at the North Pattaya bus terminal. To go to your hotel from here, you can take a bath bus for 150 baht, or a motorbike taxi for 80 to 100 baht. Let us now see how to make the return trip to Bangkok. You need to come to these counters to buy your ticket. Note that there are 2 ticket counters here, one for the bus going to Ekkamai, and the other for the bus going to Mochit. Be careful while buying your ticket. If your bus is not departing immediately, you can relax in this comfortable waiting area. Boarding starts 15 minutes before departure, and the buses leave at their scheduled time. After a comfortable 2.5 hours ride, you arrive in Bangkok, at the Ekkamai Bus Terminal. Collect your bags, and start another short walk to Ekkamai SkyTrain station, for a train to your Bangkok hotel. If you need any more information on this, please write a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Consider giving a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe for more such videos in the future. Many thanks for watching.